Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So what is going on? Welcome to a Saturday in my life. This is what is going on. We are here buying some meat for sale. Yes, nice spiced, soaked in good spices. The meat is almost gone. And we have borivols, $10, 10 Namibian dollars. Chef, eh.
Hi guys.
Yeah, Jambela, a customer. Kamu nasi tendera mani coin Jambela? I think. Inga pindono 20 ne? Tara mama hakam omuka.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Guys, know me. I love my things. I love my things well done.
So here it is, our little what do we call it? We have the system, a sound system here, but then you know, Buga one. Buga one. So we are here. This one, oh, this one is still frozen. Waiting to unfroze it. This one is done, cooked. Just waiting for customers. A horse here for $10. This one is the unbried one yet. Yeah, and we have protocol. Is it protocol? Chief protocol here. And then how do I call you?
The accountant.
Accountant, and this one is Mrs. Logistic. Yes. And we have the chef, not chef, is it chef or chef? The chef Selma, chef herself, doing the things that need to be done.
Guys, you should come support.
Yes, please.
Support.
Yeah, it's me. Oh, me. I'm Mrs. Vlogger. Team Tyra herself, the YouTuber, the.
Oh, you did not show them. Show them here.
The pot of.
You're having it?
Yes, and then we are having a poiki pot here. Is still we are about to
Do the
do the things.
So after party.
Yeah, and you guys, woo! It's so nice. So far we are good. People are buying, and we are still waiting for more people to come and buy. Yeah, so ciao guys. Later, as we wait for our customers.
People that are left hand are always fast.
Penny's left-handed.
Is she?
Team Tyra. Topi.
Penny, is it you that put this one?
It's Chico.
What did I do?
What should I put your account here?
You want it a bit warm? It's fine.
Sako buket ya pifishri. Esaki? Oh, and you are going again. Eche. Omambia embelela. Ameka kapa ketoke pen. Yo.
Mexican barbie.
Tá descemos todos leawa. Oh, todos leane.
Nata. The guy is asking. We are selling meat. There is a braai.
Otonga. Da troco buga man. Searching a buga man.
Whether it's buga,
So,
Nata, where is brother Nata?
okay. So
He was willing to give us AOV.
the soup is done. The
Oh, it
poiquinho.
looks so nice, guys. Look at this.
Yero famon. Yero famon good, huh? Un poiquinho.
Look at
Un
this.
poiquinho. Yes, yes. Ooh, this pot is giving.
Not even my smile.
Wow.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Na jep. Inopsa, inopsa. Kay mano ka fakeli bongo. Topine na. Yes. Ngondo de.
Guys.
Woo.